So the next method is the depletion method. Well, the depletion method is used in the case of natural resources like mines, quarries, etc. So let's look at illustration number 9 to further understand this. So illustration 9 is Messrs. J and Company took on lease a quarry of on 1/1/2009 for 1 crore rupees. As per our technical estimate, the total quantity of minerals deposit is 2 lakh. So this method, again I like to remind, is ditto copy of the hours or the product method. See how many tons of minerals you have? You have close to about 2 lakh tons of minerals. So what is the total units you have to do is 2 lakh. For incurring this 2 lakh tons of mineral, what is the cost that you incurred? You incurred 1 crore. Right, so this 1 crore should be amortized over this 2 lakh tons of mineral. Now, in the first year, in 2009, how much are you extracting? You are extracting 2000 tons. So what will be the depreciation for the first year? Is simple. 1 crore into 2000 divided by 2 lakh. Let's look at the depreciation for the second year, 2010. So what will be the depreciation of the next 6 year? Is how much are you extracting? You are extracting 10,000. Total how much can be extracted is 2 lakh multiplied by the value 1 crore. Right, so this is how it is. So this is very easy and very same as the units method or the hours method. So in the next method, annuity method. So annuity method is a bit confusing because it takes into account some kind of interest. See, honestly, this annuity part will be explained to you in IPCC. For the moment, I just want you to know how to calculate such kinds of sum. So in this annuity sum, first we have to find out a figure. They will always give us this figure which we have to find out. And also remember, the depreciation as per annuity method is something like a straight line method. So the depreciation every year will be the same. Okay, but there is one twist to this kind of sum for which I want you to see illustration number 4. So illustration number 4 is that a lease is purchased on 1st January 2008 for 4 years at a cost of 20,000. It is proposed to be depreciated the lease by an annuity method charging 5%. Right? They want to charge how much? 5% by an annuity method. Now I want you to focus. This 5% as per annuity method is nothing but the figure which is given to you, 0.282012. This is nothing but every year's depreciation. So what will be the depreciation? Cost multiplied by this figure. What is cost? 20,000. When I multiply it by this figure, 0.282012, what will I get? It gives us 5640.24. So this is the depreciation every year. This will be constant. Now let's look at the ledger of the lease account. So what is the opening balance? There will be no opening balance as I have purchased it. So 20,000 will go to the purchases. What is the depreciation every year? Let's just trace it down. 5640.24, 5640.24, 5640.24 and 5640.24. Every year this is the depreciation. But on the left hand side, can you see an interest? See, this is where the point is. See, in an annuity method, the balance is 20,000, or I start with 20,000. The first year depreciation is 5640.24. Now I've got to add 5,000 to my opening balance or the purchase value. So here the purchase value is 20,000, add 5%, that is 1,000. Now find out the balance. Is 21,000 minus 5640.24, which will be 15,359.76. Now the opening balance is 15,359.76. Who will I put the interest on? I will put the interest on this opening balance, that is 15,359.76, which will come down to 767.99. And the depreciation every year is constant. So this is how we do the sum. Focus on the last year. What will happen in the last year is that the total will be equal to your depreciation. Correct? So this is annuity method. We will study the next method, that is the sinking fund method, in the next video.